Welcome to our woodworking tutorial series, where we will be covering the essential skills needed to kickstart your journey in woodworking. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, this video will provide you with the fundamental knowledge to excel in this craft. In this scene, we will discuss the various tools and equipment that are essential for any woodworking project. From hand tools to power tools, we'll explore their uses and how to choose the right ones for your needs. Next, we'll delve into wood selection and preparation. We'll guide you through the process of choosing the right type of wood for your project, understanding its properties, and preparing it by cutting, planing, and sanding. In this scene, we'll cover various joinery techniques, such as mortise and tenon, dovetail, and finger joints. You'll learn the basics of each technique and how to create strong and aesthetically pleasing connections between wood pieces. Finally, we'll discuss wood finishing techniques to enhance the beauty and durability of your projects. From staining and varnishing to applying protective finishes, we'll show you how to achieve professional-looking results. That concludes our video on essential woodworking skills. By mastering these fundamentals, you'll be well equipped to embark on your woodworking journey and create amazing projects. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips from our channel.